My name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can download Duolingo for your iPhone or smart for Android. So what you want to do is click Play Store, and right here you just want to search Duolingo. Right here you just want to click install, and when it's gonna be here, it's going to install. Just wait, and now open. Nice. Now just click get started. And what you want to learn, you just choose language, like let's go Spanish. And now what are you learning language? Let's go for brain training, 10 minutes a day. Nice. And this is how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah.
El niño.
Goodbye.